today I bought something a little special for myself. This. Now, I go golfing outside every once in a while. Certainly nothing like in here in the sim. However, the people I'm golfing with are starting this new trend of walking. So, I got a cart, a push cart, and it looks like it's in 1 trillion pieces. So, I'm gonna pull everything out. We'll take a look. This is like what I would consider the step above the cheap ones. It's got 4 wheels. I think that was like an essential for me. I didn't want it to be like balancing all weird. And it folds up nice. And then I'll show you everything else that has to do with it. I went with blue. Ooh, that's pretty nice. These are nice. These are bigger than I thought they could be too. Sometimes it's hard to tell. I think bigger the better for most golfing. Good bearing in there. Nice and light. Umbrella stand. Oh, the main body. Here it is all folded up without the tires, of course. I see 4 places for tires, but it is the Caddy Cruiser 1 V8. It's not electric or anything, it's just gonna push, but it was the one that had a little storage bag, which I thought was nice. And then, oh, that was it. Push button and it opens. It's gonna be like this. 1, 2, 3, 4 tire, bag goes here, little net caddy and little storage caddy. So I'll get it assembled and we'll take a look. Really easy. It's got a little cover on it and then a little push button right here. Slides right in. Unpush and spinning nicely. Should be the same in the back. Yep. This thing's like a monster truck. It's a little bigger than I thought. I kind of decided that. What's that for? Okay, there it is. Everything's got a push button. Everything's got a push button on this thing. Off, on. Okay, so this part's adjustable up and down, and then the whole thing is adjustable up and down. This is adjustable up and down. These are adjustable. The bottom has bungees. You can see these are bungee flexible, and the little nods that the bag sits in are golf balls, so that's kind of cool. We got something that hooks in there, not sure. We have our cup holder. We have our umbrella stand right here if we want it. Okay, so we figured that out pretty good. This thing's pretty rad. This also has a button. It's got a magnetic little part right here for your ball marker, and it came with one. Look at that. Came with a ball marker, CaddyTek, like a little soccer ball, and it fits right in there. It's got a backup bungee for your upper part here. So it's probably not backup, it's probably what you got through there, tie a knot. That's it. Okay. We really having to shove these in there. taking some scissors and just cutting like an angle out of the end. It's just kind of rubbery, but it's so squared off and frayed that I can't get it through the stupid hole. So just a little angle should let me start it and get it through. Okay, that worked. So then all they said was tie this in a knot at the end. Bam. And one more. Alright, let's do this. Gotta do blue. Goes in. This tightens like that. Bam. Perfect. This one goes on the base. Same kind of deal, just kind of hooks, and then you can tighten them somehow. Maybe tighten these ones. Okay, and this bottom lunge. Kind of weird. I don't understand. Ah, there we go. It's still there. Okay. So there we are, the monster truck, blue tire, CaddyTek. This thing was like like 150, I want to say, 130 on sale maybe for the blue ones, and it looks rad. I think I'll probably bring the blue bag, even though this bag is like not my main one, but it just looks good with the blue tires. So I'll have a little on-course portion of this coming up this weekend. I'm gonna take it out for a spin around the course, and we'll see how it does, see how dirty it gets, see how good it folds up and in and out and carries, and I'll let you know all that. Peace. All right, let's see how this thing folds up. We have one button to push right here. It says push, lower the handle. The whole thing goes into a little ball, and then the same strap down here that holds it together can hold it together. And then we get this. Pretty good to throw in the back of a trunk, and looks like I can turn it into a go-kart or something someday.